Caramelized potatoes. To prepare this dish, you will need small or fingerling potatoes, salt, pepper, sugar, butter, and nutmeg. The black pepper is optional. The first step is to partially cook the potatoes. Place them in a saucepan and add enough cold water to cover by 1 inch, and then generously season the water with salt. Bring to a boil, reduce the heat, and simmer for about 10 minutes. You want the potatoes to cook a little bit, but not soften. Next, melt the butter and add a bit of granulated sugar and freshly grated nutmeg. Stir until the sugar is dissolved into the melted butter, and then spread your drained potatoes into a well-buttered baking dish. The potatoes can be a bit snug, but you want them to fit in a single layer. Pour the butter mixture over the potatoes and then stir them to make sure that the potatoes are completely coated on all sides with the butter sugar mixture. Bake at 400 degrees for about 40 minutes or until the potatoes are crisp and brown. These are delicious, served with roasted meats and spicy sausage. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.